new technology advancements at IMTEX 2026.
This machine that we are displaying at IMTEX is a tube laser cutting machine. This is a newly launched machine by ProArc. We've done a few installations, but now we have modified a lot or made a lot of developments within the machine. There are some pipe, so within the pipe cutting for the oil and gas sector also, they have requirements for machines, and we've developed a new product for that oil and gas pipe cutting requirement too.
Defense spending impact on business.
Any push by the government for, or I would say any impetus on manufacturing would definitely be better with more investments in something like defense. We supply machines for, or you could say fiber laser, plasma cutting machines are regularly required for fabricating or manufacturing defense equipments. And again, a lot of times when each country, when they are into defense manufacturing, they prefer to get systems from within the country because of maybe protection of technology also. So there we, as an Indian manufacturer, there is an edge that we get because of higher requirement in the market. Plus there is a preference for Indian manufacturers for such applications which involve confidential data. We always expect more, so I would say probably one thing is the ease of doing business, which is always something that a lot of reports talk about, and when we do business in India, we realize that there are a lot of challenges doing business in India, so maybe working on things which ease it. Another thing is making policies which help with better skill development within the country, because again, getting good skilled manpower could be challenging for a lot of companies within the country. And definitely some other maybe production linked incentives, if the can be thought of by the government, that would definitely aid us in manufacturing more and not only catering to Indian requirement but for exporting machines outside of India.